Benefits of cloves: how to make clove tea. Welcome to my channel Munir Health. We provide daily videos on a wide range on health issues. Cloves contains a significant amount of protein, iron, carbohydrates, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and hydrochloric acid. It is also rich in vitamins A and C, manganese and fiber. A powerful antioxidant and antiseptic, clove has the property of protecting against many diseases and is used in the treatment of various diseases. Cloves are made from unopened flower buds of the tree, which are in the form of a dried bud and remain green all year round. Cloves, enchanted by taste and smell, alleviate the problems of sex life. Aphrodisiac, makes couples' faces laugh. Clove has a preventive effect against toothache and bleeding gums, strengthens the immune system, balances cholesterol levels. Benefits of cloves: relieve muscle and joint pain. You will find the amazing benefits of cloves in this video. Number 1. Pain relief properties. The pain relief of cloves, which is also used in the treatment of various tooth problems such as toothache, is based on the active ingredient eugenol oil. Cotton soaked in clove oil can work wonders. Clove oil is known to have antibacterial properties and is used in various toothpastes, mouthwashes and throat sprays to clean bacteria. It is also used to relieve the pain of the inflamed gums and improve overall dental health. One of the best-known properties of cloves is their powerful effects in the treatment of toothache. Especially if you apply cloves, which are often used in toothpastes, to your aching tooth, you will find that the pain subsides and disappears in a short time. You can also use clove tea to treat mouth sores. Mouthwash. You can apply the same application with clove oil. You get the same effect if you put the clove oil that you dripped into cotton on your sore tooth. Cloves, as well as gum pain in general, are quite important for oral and dental health. In addition to toothpastes, it is used in mouthwashes, throat sprays and various toothpastes. Number 2. Useful for the digestive system. Cloves support the work of the digestive enzymes and keep the system healthy. Eating cloves relieves stomach discomfort, gas, and nausea. Fried cloves and honey can help cure these diseases. Number 3. Oral health. Researchers continue to investigate the effects of clove oil on oral health. In particular, research into plaque formation and antibacterial properties provides positive results. Research has shown that clove mouthwash available on the market have the same effectiveness. In addition, clove mouthwash prevents bacteria from forming in the mouth more than others. Removes bad breath to its good smell. Cloves help eliminate bad breath. Especially after eating foods that cause bad breath, cloves that are kept in the mouth relieve bad breath. Number 4. Antibacterial properties. It was examined whether cloves have antibacterial properties against human pathogens. Clove extracts were effective enough to kill harmful pathogens. Clove extracts also work against certain bacteria that trigger cholera. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Due to their high flavonoid content, they are used as anti-inflammatory agents. Aromatherapists use pure clove oil to treat rheumatism symptoms and arthritis. Aromatic clove oil relieves breathing problems such as colds, cough, asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis and also cleans the nasal passages. Number 6. Immune system. The clove has strong antioxidant and antiseptic properties, strengthens the immune system and offers protection and resistance to various diseases. Effective against influenza and flu protection. In particular, clove oil with water after dilution with honey, which should be consumed by mixing with the cold, offers an effective treatment and resistance. Sinusitis is one of the most common winter illnesses as well as the flu. Increasing with cooling sinusitis. It is possible to get rid of the symptoms with clove powder. You can use the clove powder that cleans the sinuses by gently pulling it through your nose. Clove, which is very rich in essential oils, is a powerful disinfectant function. It removes harmful microbes and bacteria in the body and cleanses the blood. Number 7. Protects the liver. Liver protection is one of the advantages of cloves. The clove has a high antioxidant value, reduces the effects of free radicals and ensures healthy liver stimulation and repairs long-term deformations caused by liver diseases. Number 8. Hair health. An advantage of the carnation that most people do not know, but which has a positive effect, is the protection of hair health. It contains, cloves provide the hair follicles with nutrients and prevent hair loss. Cloves that protect the natural hair color help darken the hair color and look natural and healthy. Number 9, prevents tumor, particularly in the prevention of tumor formation in the lungs and lung cancer. It can help control the disease at an early stage. Number 10. Antiseptic properties. Because of its antiseptic properties and clove oil cuts, fungal infections, burns, wounds, is a very effective solution to certain problems like athlete's foot and bruises. Clove oil can cause irritation when applied directly to the skin. That is why clove oil is used in diluted form. Clove oil also helps relieve muscle spasms when applied topically near the affected area. Number 11. Cancer. Researchers believe that cloves can effectively prevent lung cancer and skin cancer. Eugenol, an important component of cloves, helps minimize the harmful effects of environmental waste that can cause cancer in the digestive system. Number 12. Skin health. The clove, which is very important for skin health, is usually used as an oil. The clove oil used in skincare leads to effective results in treating many problems from acne to wounds. Cloves that have antibiotic properties deliver effective results in the treatment of acne. However, direct application to the skin is not recommended. Clove oil must be thin before it is applied to the skin. Apply clove oil to hands and face diluted with creams. Clove oil disinfects the skin and is free of inflammation it provides. At the same time, acne and black spots and spots on the skin outside provides cleansing. The clove oil used for wound treatment should be used under professional control. Number 13. Clove healing for headaches. If you have a headache, you can use cloves. You can add rock salt to the paste, which you prepare with cloves and gargle in your mouth, or you can add the clove milk to the paste. It is a quick and effective solution to headaches. Number 14. Diabetes. A study in mice found that one of the clove's active substances decreased insulin resistance in mouse muscle cells. Mice with diabetes had lower insulin resistance, improved glucose tolerance, insulin secretion and beta cell function when the same drug was administered. Number 15. Bone protection. Hydroalcoholic clove extracts include phenolic compounds such as eugenol and derivatives such as flavonoids, isoflavones and flavonoids. These elements maintain bone density and bone mineral content in osteoporosis. Number 16. Prevents mutations in genes. Mutagen. These are chemicals that change the genetic structure of DNA by causing mutations. Biochemical compounds found in cloves such as phenylpropanoids have anti-mutagenic properties. Research has shown that cloves can control mutagenic effects at a significant rate. Number 17. Stress. Cloves with calming properties. Your relaxation, your calm it offers. The clove, which is very important for mental health, relieves body fatigue and allows you to relax. Regular, accurate and controlled consumption of cloves nervous system. It has a positive effect. Especially those who complain about the intense pace of work and are under constant stress will consume cloves, regulate their nervous system and calm down and relax. Number 18. Relieves the respiratory tract. If you suffer from winter diseases, you can consume cloves and take precautions against cough, flu and colds. It can be garnished in the mouth with clove tea or from clove seeds. Number 19. Obesity. According to another study in mice, the clove has a positive effect on obesity. Mice that consumed clove extract were found to have less weight, less belly fat and less liver fat than the control group without cloves. Disinfectant. Clove, a natural disinfectant, contains a substantial amount of essential oil. Clove has antioxidant properties due to its essential oils. Antioxidants are powerful cell cleaners. At the same time, thanks to their ingredients such as potassium, sodium, phosphorus, iron, vitamin A and vitamin C, cloves fight the free radicals in the body and ensure disinfection of the body. Number 20. Clove good for nausea. If you get up in the morning, you will experience constant nausea, and if you want to vomit, clove powder can mix and consume in honey. In another method, the intermediate is to consume clove tea. How is clove tea made? Honey is required for the production of clove tea as well as 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 pieces of clove, 1 cup of boiled water. Preparation: boil the water first. After boiling the water, pour into a glass. Throw the cloves into the glass. Mix apple cider vinegar and honey in a separate bowl and pour into the glass. Cover the cup and leave it for 5 minutes. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment about the video. So, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to get the latest videos.